Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the base station of the Narwal Freo X Plus robot vacuum and mop. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take our base and find where our cable goes. So this cable comes with the set. I have connected it to a socket behind the camera, but here we have our cable port, and we're going to just connect that like this. There we go, and this light right here should light up. So we also have these little handles for our cables. So for example, if you don't want it to get tangled, or if you don't want it to just hang around, you can wrap it around like this, and that should keep the cable in its position like that. But now we're going to just place it down like that, and if you want to start your Narwal, you just align these little charging ports to our metallic part on our robot, so like that. And now the light on this should start flickering, and the robot should wake up with the power button flashing. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.